Alright guys, welcome to the final episode of making a rowboat out of pallets. In this episode, we're pretty much just going to be trying to make it float without leaking too much. So I had this brilliant idea to fill up these bottom floor pockets with foam and cover them up with some sheeting. And my thinking behind that was that if there was foam in those pockets that water couldn't get in them, that didn't exactly work how I thought it would work. But now there's foam in the boat or something. Now, unfortunately, the fiberglass that I put on the boat in the last episode didn't really do anything, and that's probably mainly my fault because the boards were uneven. So I found a bunch of tar and just covered the boat in tar. Tar got everywhere because that's what it likes to do, and I put some tin foil on the boat so that the government can't read its thoughts, and also so I can touch the boat without getting a bunch of tar all over me. Now, to make this a little bit easier to carry around, I stuck some wheels on the end of it, and then I was ready to just see if this guy would float. So after a long night of getting real excited and getting all our fishing stuff together, me and a friend took this boat down to a lake that connects to a river by my house. And honestly, bringing it down there was half the battle. The boat itself is about 90 pounds, which it really wasn't too bad to carry weight-wise, but it was very just inconvenient to hold on to, especially when we got tar sticking to our hands and our arms and our clothes, and yeah, it wasn't a great start to the morning. But once we got out there, we found that there were a lot of leaks, but that wasn't anything that a bunch of bailing couldn't handle. And honestly, it was just real peaceful out there. Couldn't really complain about it. Oh, we got a fisherman down there.
Oh, really? Are they on the bank?
Yeah.
Where do we send them?
And in any situation, being within 1 foot of someone in a 3-foot boat is not the most convenient, but hey, teamwork makes the dream work. Oh yeah, gar over there.
Gar?
Go ahead and cast it on over there.
This feels like really hard to pull in.
Yeah, same with mine.
Maybe it's all the weight with him.
Yeah. Yeah, right over there. Not bad, not bad. Oh, it would definitely help if I pulled up the anchor. We're taking in more water. So, was this project a success? Well, we started out with a bunch of pallets that probably couldn't hold 2 people for very long. Then we chopped them up and turned them into a boat that could hold 2 people for probably a little bit longer than just straight up pallets would have done. So I would consider it a success. Now, throughout this project, I did spend a whole lot of time and a good amount of money, for me at least, but the lessons that I learned throughout this process were definitely worth all that time and all that money. I really enjoyed most of this process, and I definitely want to make a boat in the future. What type of boat that'll be and what it'll be made out of, I don't know, but I definitely don't want to even really look at tar or pallets anymore for at least a real long time. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this whole series. I'll be putting together a sort of time lapse of this whole process under 10 minutes, so that way you don't have to watch the whole entire probably about hour-long series of these videos and you can still get the gist of it. But if you did watch all these videos, I appreciate it. Let me know what you think, what I could have done to make it better. Of course, it would have been better if I had a boat that worked really well, but that didn't really happen. So, thanks again, and I'll see you in my next video. Alright. Oh, that smell.